a man by the name Kakwenza Rukirabashaija. The Bantu call it Kakwenza, possibly, is someone who, in the past years, have been challenging President Museveni for what he calls human rights violation, and also confessed to his story of torture, which he later on again admitted there was a twist in the story, making a U-turn on the statement. But then we have seen he has stuck to being opposition. He posted a certificate, I think it's a fake certificate, but they made it maybe to mock Norbert Mao. The certificate is entitled Certified Betrayer, and in the certificate it's called Certificate of Betrayal. So he's calling Mao a certified betrayer. In the certificate, a certificate of betrayer is presented to Honorable Norbert Mao for his concerted efforts in betraying constitutionalism and rule of law in Uganda, and for his exceptional skills in political somersaulting, flowery Judas language, and outstanding opportunism. May peace abandon you. It is presented by Lucifer, and the date is 17th of February 2025. But Mao responded. Mao said, "I am very disappointed. I was expecting an instrument of appointment as Lucifer's deputy. I hope you thank the devil for making you see Kakwenza produced in a civilian court before Tuesday next week. A speedy trial is part of the constitutional right to a fair trial." And a guy just said what I was thinking about. The guy's name is Moses Okidi. We could say the hatred against Mao is at full display. Don't forget that Mao isn't the first minister for justice and constitutional affairs. Has it been any better before Mao came in? He is questioning that. Has it been any better before Mao came in? Where is Attorney General in this case? Hurling insults and cursing Mao won't help. This is what I said before. When Acholi is holding a position, the person faces serious hatred. And yet you realize the previous people who held the office even did worse. I gave example on the case of election. The chairperson of the Election Commission is not blamed, or blamed so little. But once the case is rushed to the court, the entire blame shifts to low blood. That is Chief Justice Owindolo. And Norbert Mao also responded to the concern made by Moses Okidi. He said, "Never mind. I'm doing my best to ensure that the wheels of justice that had been stuck move again, so that the civilians charged in the court-martial can have a speedy trial in the civil courts. Everybody should do their duty. I'm doing mine, and the results are there to be seen." That is what Mao has responded. He said these results are being seen. Of course, there are a lot of progress within the law, but then how the system has been set is what is making everything not easy. Blames against the Acholi people are always made in a very harsh way as compared to blames to other ethnic group. And to me, I really see that this is not something which is good for Uganda. And you see the people who always analyze these things and practice this, they really have, I think, a mind maybe fixed by their ancestors or something unthinkable. But anyway, that is what Uganda is. You just have to know how to always survive in it. Thank you.